Welcome back. Now news from sports. Ganeshraj Narvekar has been thrown a lifeline. GCA Secretary Chetan Desai has said the leg spinner's 6-year ban can be reviewed only if he and his parents apologize for age and name fraud. Chetan feels a player should not be deprived of his playing right. Meanwhile, GCA have announced a monthly pension scheme for players who have represented Goa in Ranji Trophy in 10 to 24 matches. Players who have played 25 matches and more are catered to by the BCCI.
Ganeshraj Narvekar had submitted a letter but was not apologetic in nature, claimed Secretary Chetan Desai. However, Executive Committee is ready to reconsider their decision to enforce a 6-year ban.
So the committee is of the opinion that a very lenient stand should be taken, provided he asks for an apology to the managing committee, because no member of the managing committee agreed that any legal letter should come to us.
Are you looking at softening your stand on the 6-year ban?
We can have a review at that, provided he behaves like that.
Is the GCA asking apology from all three?
Actually, yes.
Meanwhile, a pension scheme has been put in place for Goan Ranji players.
Those who have played 15 to 24 matches. See, about 25 matches, BCCI gives the pension. So we have made it from 15 matches to 24 matches. They will get 7,500 per month. And those who have played 10 to 14 matches will get 5,000 rupees a month. 10 matches, we are under calculation, we are doing this calculation to how to maintain this in future also.
Vice President Shekhar Salkar, who was entrusted with the task of the International Cricket Stadium, has identified a few sites.
We've seen some places, maybe one in Nerul, one in Pilen, then Sakwar, Pedne, then Karmullim. So we have brought all the papers and all. We are searching in Google also where there is a flat land to see if it can be bought immediately. No, most likely they are settlement areas. Agricultural land, that way, if you, in my mind, the best land would have been just next to the Panjim highway. But it is agricultural land and it is low-lying land. Nobody will allow us to build them. NGOs will just jump on me.
Sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Omkar Falari from Porvorim.
Goa Chess Association is on a mission to unearth hidden talents from rural areas by encouraging organizers to come up with tournaments in various talukas. While speaking on the sidelines of Tarkar Memorial Chess, President Ashish Keni stressed on the need for taluka-level associations to organize tournaments. Brand Ambassador for Geno Pharmaceuticals, Riya Sawant clinched the title of State Women's Champion at Shripad Vishnu Kamath Tarkar Memorial Chess Tournament at Kampal on Sunday.
Geno-sponsored Riya Sawant drew her last round match with defending champion Prasanna Swamy to emerge state women's champion with 6.5 points out of a possible 7. Prasanna Swamy was the runner-up with 5.5 points. Director of Health Services Dr. Sanjeev Dalvi and other dignitaries presented the prizes. The top 4 players will now represent Goa at the National B Championship to be held in Delhi next month. Goa Chess Association President Ashish Keni stressed on the association's aim to take chess beyond the cities into every corner of the state.
We are also in the process of changing the constitution so that taluka associations come into the picture. What we have found is that in many parts of Goa, there are no active organizers. And I am sure that with taluka associations coming in, parts of Goa which have not been represented and where organizers are not functioning, where there are no tournaments, they will definitely come forward to participate and play a bigger role in chess organizing in Goa. Mr. Hidwe and Mr. Pinge are conducting this tournament and they are coming forward to conduct many more tournaments. We want organizers like you and we want sponsors like Mr. Tarkar. The game is being organized for the players. There are many players who may be in villages, who may be very talented and who may not have the necessary support.
A video journalist Dinesh Karpe from Kampal.
India opened their account at the London Olympics on Monday when Gagan Narang clinched a bronze medal in the 10-meter air rifle event. After disappointments in the men's and women's archery competition, shooter Narang brought some cheer to the Indian sports fraternity with his medal-winning feat. If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.